So you got your noodles. You cut it open. I think there you go. Noodles are officially opened. Then you just kind of pop it in there. So now that it's in, you fill it up with water. You usually just kind of prefer it all the way in, but some people prefer it halfway. It doesn't really matter, I don't think. So let's just... Actually, my quick container, so let me do that real quick. Alright, back there. You want to fill it all the way up. And now we put it, I think... Alright, and then we... Stop. And then we put it in the microwave. For 2 minutes. Then we put our stuff into the microwave. There it goes. Now you wait. Alright, so you're all done with that. You gotta grab a fork. And don't start eating it yet. You just gotta take it out. To kind of dab it a bunch. Or just dab the end. Okay. Got this, so then we just kind of... Oh wait, watch this. I'm gonna go get something. Actually, just kind of dab it. Alright, so after when you're done that, you're gonna have to put it in for another 10 minutes. I think. So, we got all our noodles. Let's drop it in. Then we microwave. 1 minute. There with the check on it. So if it's all clingy and stuff, that means it's done. I might have to put it in for a few more minutes for me. I might put it in for 2. Yep, and so you will have to put it in for 2 more minutes at the end. Boom! You got your Mr. Noodles. So after when you're done that, be careful, you might burn yourself. So take this out. And go grab that. And then got your fried dish. So you get this, you go grab some fritters. And you just open it. And then you just pour the flavoring right into the stuff. Sorry about the terrible camera. I can get dirty really quick. And then you just grab your spoon and then you just stir it in.